Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the condition of the brake fluid. So if you flush your brake fluid on the BMW, the car wants you to basically program it, let it know that the brake fluid was flushed. Otherwise you might get a warning on the vehicle status, vehicle check over there. So I'll show you how to get to the screen and reset it. So BMW uses what's called CBS, or condition based service, and it's really monitors the oil condition and a few other things. So you want to go to maintenance, and for CBS service you want to go under oil reset over here, and then you select BMW and then Smart VIN. You got it automatically identified as a 2017 BMW 7 Series. If it does not do it, if the VIN doesn't get picked up, you can manually select the model yourself. So you select BMW 2017 and then the chassis, the series, the 7 Series. Because there's sometimes that the VIN doesn't automatically select the correct software, it doesn't get pulled off, but that shouldn't be a problem. Then you go to special functions, and you can do some resets without a tool through the instrument cluster and the buttons on the steering wheel, so we'll give you instructions for that. But we're using the tool, so we select CBS reset, option 1 there. And so the scanner is communicating with the CBS system and checking the status of the oil condition, brakes, and so on, and the brake fluid level, brake fluid condition as well. So after a few seconds, then you get this, the engine oil. We just reset that. We have another video on that. It's at 100. Front brakes and rear brakes, you can reset those as well, like the brake pad wear sensors. But where we're interested in this option 4 right here, brake fluid, says 0. It shows how many times it has been reset in the past. So it's been reset 3 times. So if we want to reset brake fluid condition, we'll select 4 right here. And it's going to take a few seconds to go through the reset procedure. So you can see here, brake fluid, it says 100%. It says this increased by 1, went up to 4. That means with the 4th time in the life of this car that the brake fluid condition has been reset. Now it is important to actually flush and change the brake fluid before you carry out this procedure. It's not recommended to just do a reset but not actually flush the brake fluid or change it, replace it. But that's how you do that on BMW vehicles using the YOUCANIC scanner. And thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.